So welcome guys to today's tutorial. I will be showing you how to compress your large file videos to little files, not reducing the quality, keeping the quality the same, but only compressing down the size a little bit. So I'm already on the app. So as you can see on the screen, I'm using the app now. It's called Panda Panda app. So the Panda video compressor. So you can see it right here, right here. You can see it right here. So you can get it on Play Store. Then you can install it over, and you get to use it. So you can see currently I'm on the free version. You can see buy premium right here. You can see the buy premium right here. So I'm not really on the premium, but the free version can give us other features that we like to use. So you can see also it has a lot of videos like YouTube tutorials to know how to use the word more, compress your videos, crop and rotate photo, and lots more. So let's dive into the main purpose of this app. So I have some video I recorded some time ago that's also on my YouTube channel. You can see it right here. It has the file of 181 MB, 181 MB right here. So you can see I already clicked it. So let's just tap on it. Okay, then we go to next. You can see go to next. So tap on next. You can see you have many other features here. Small file, easy share, and lots of that. So medium file, large file, just compress, fit to Facebook Messenger, fit to email, fit to customer size, So all of us know the resolution. So let's just go over to the one we'll be using today. That's the large file to just compress. So we'll be choosing the third option, large file, just compress. So you see best quality, lowest compression time, original resolution. So it will give us the best quality of the video, but on the original resolution. So let's just tap on compress down here, and let's see. So my battery is low, but let's start. Let's see. So let's just wait for it to do its work. So you can see on the screen the Panda is trying to compress down the video file. So you can see I'm also having X because I'm on the free version. So I will be doing a video how you can get the premium version of this app next time on my YouTube channel. So let's stay tuned to this channel, like and subscribe. So I have to pause the video a little bit um so that you can be able to compress. Then I'll start it again. So you just have to exercise a little bit patience with the app. So it can also run on the background. So you can see it can also run on the background. It's nearly done. So you can also run the background, but it's preferable to leave it on so that it do its work. So you can see it's also compressing the file now. So let's just wait a little bit to let it do its work. See, it's on 95%. So if you have not done liking and subscribing to this channel, please do so now. I'll be dropping a video how to get the premium and remove this else right here in my next video on this channel. So follow and like for more. So 99%. So let's wait for the magic to happen. So you can see right now it say compare. You can see say compare. You can see compare. Compare. You can see the original file right here. You can see it right here. Then you can see what it got. Say from 181 MB to 30 MB. So you can see it saved up to 152 MB for us. So you can see on the description how to get free data every day on your Airtel number line. So you can also watch that video, guys. It's on my YouTube channel. I also let it there, guys. So you can also watch the video and learn more. So there's some amazing feature I like particularly about this app. So you can see this one right here that says replace, then save. So let me say I do not want to leave two files in my phone or duplicate. So I just have to tap on place. You can see the river video will be overwritten by the compressed one. Then you get more than 52 MB free space. Are you sure? So you can just tap on OK. Then you can just tap on save. So you enter into your gallery. Then all is done. So this is how you can compress large file videos into your phone and save more space on your device. So follow me for more tips like this and do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Watch this video right here and tag me later. Like, subscribe and share.